Welcome back to Metroun, where we explore everything related to quantity surveying and construction. Today, we'll look into performance bonds in the construction industry, a crucial financial tool to ensure project completion. We'll also discuss the pros and the cons of these bonds. But before we start, nearly 80% of you watching are not subscribed to our channel. We upload a new video every Wednesday and would really appreciate the support. So, what is a performance bond? A performance bond is a type of guarantee issued by a surety company on behalf of a contractor. It ensures that the contractor will complete a construction project according to the contract terms. But what happens if the contractor fails to deliver? The surety company steps in and covers the cost of completing the project or hiring a replacement contractor. Okay, now that we know what performance bonds are, let's talk about why they're important in the construction industry. Number 1, it protects project owners. Performance bonds ensure that project owners are financially protected if a contractor fails to complete a project. Number 2, it ensures project completion. These bonds motivate contractors to finish projects on time and within budget, as they don't want to jeopardize their relationship with the surety companies. And number 3, it enhances credibility. Contractors with performance bonds are more likely to be considered for projects, as they're seen as financially stable and reliable. Performance bonds offer several benefits, including risk mitigation. They provide an extra layer of financial security for project owners, reducing the risk of project failure. Number 2, pre-qualification. Surety companies pre-qualify contractors, ensuring that only those with the required experience and financial stability receive these bonds. Number 3, it encourages best practices. Performance bonds incentivize contractors to adhere to the best practices and industry standards to avoid claims. Performance bonds aren't without their drawbacks, however. Additional costs. Contractors must pay a premium for performance bonds, which can range from 1 to 10% of the contract value. It can be time-consuming. The application and underwriting process can be lengthy, potentially delaying project start dates. And it can be a financial strain. Contractors with a history of claims may struggle to obtain bonds or face higher premiums, making it difficult to secure future projects. Performance bonds play a vital role in the construction industry, offering financial protection and promoting project completion. While there are some drawbacks, especially for contractors, the overall benefits make performance bonds a powerful tool for project owners and contractors. Metroun, a commercial hub to your business.